EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for September 16th, 2021. Thursday's video forecast is sponsored by North Penn Car Wash in Lansdale in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Join the Unlimited Car Wash Club for $13.95 a month. It's starting at $13.95 per month. It's the only place where weather doesn't matter. You can wash as often as you like within any given month for one low monthly rate. And if you mention EPAWA, you get your first month for just $9.95. That's North Penn Car Wash, the sponsor of the Thursday forecast video, 986 Summertown Pike in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. We have a cold front that came through yesterday, or at least tried to. It is now stalling over the region and will remain stalled there before it fizzles out on Friday. So if you look at our forecast, next 2 days here, we have mainly cloudy skies, 76 to 80 degrees is the spread basically on both days. So none of this really warm temperatures in the upper 80s like we've had the last couple of days. But we will have plenty of clouds, and we'll have the opportunity for a few places to see a shower or two. This is not going to be a big deal here as far as the showers are concerned, however. And I'll show you that here in a second. Here is where the boundary is. You can see it's draped across southeastern PA. The global models are a little bit more thrilled with this activity than the short-range models are. So there's a little bit of a battle between the global models and short-range guidance, and this boundary is very clear right here. That's where it's stalled, right about there. Okay, so along that will become the focus of any shower activity. However, we take a look at the NAM, and I'm going to start this off at noon today. Any rain, of course, would be in green. I'm going to back this up here because it just jumped ahead on me. Here is a look at noon as we go forward from this point. You see a few showers kind of rotating in from the southeast across New Jersey, but really nowhere else at all during the day. So the NAM disagrees. What about the HRR? Well, same thing. A few showers across Jersey here, maybe getting into extreme southeastern Pennsylvania, but then that's it. There's nothing else. Same thing here for Friday. You go to the global models, and you have this offshore low in combination with a dying frontal boundary. So the frontal boundary is actually stalled over the region today. It's going to begin to decay overnight and then dissipate on Friday. And then that's it. That's it for that frontal boundary. There's an offshore low here that could become a tropical depression as it moves towards the southeastern U.S. coastline. Still yet to be determined on that. They're having a hard time finding a low-level circulation, and all the winds and most of the convection is displaced to the east of there when they went out with the Hurricane Hunter reconnaissance aircraft to find a low-level center with this. So most of this is going to be on the eastern side here, but on the western side, there could be on Friday, according to the global model, some wraparound moisture associated with this as this low continues off to the northeast and away from the coast. So what does the NAM say? Well, the NAM has almost just about the same thing. Absolutely nothing. Maybe a stray shower, and that's it. High-resolution rapid refresh, maybe a little more interested, but these are just stray pop-up showers here during the afternoon on Friday. Not a major deal, okay? So not that we're expecting a major deal anyway, and neither is the European model. But it's showing a little bit more activity, the global models anyway, than the short-range stuff. So there's a little bit of a battle there. I would just say over the next 2 days, expect plenty of clouds, and we can see that with the future simulated satellite. This is starting off this morning and is going over the next couple of days. You see plenty of clouds here, mostly cloudy at a minimum, but many times just overcast entirely. And this goes right through Friday evening here. You might have some improvement maybe late Friday. And then once we get into Saturday, we're back to partly cloudy skies again, and things are going to start improving as we get over the weekend. Now, there will be this, see this frontal boundary up here, far northwest going over the Great Lakes. It's going to very quickly move southeast, and there would be an opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm late in the day here on Saturday. But other than that, that's the only, that's basically the only bad forecast at all for the entire weekend, because after that, this moves away. We're back to mostly sunny skies here on Sunday. Temperatures are going to warm up over the weekend again, so we're in the 76 to 80 degree range here for the next 2 days. Once the sun comes back out again, we'll be right back in the warmth, and I think that's going to last through about midweek or so next week. We'll have temperatures 80 or above, probably the 80 to 84 degree range, straight through Wednesday, and that's going to begin on Saturday already. So here's Sunday, mostly sunny skies. Here's Monday, mostly sunny skies. Tuesday, partly to mostly sunny skies. And then Wednesday, we have a frontal boundary approaching the region, but doesn't quite get here yet. So we'll just call it partly cloudy here on Wednesday. And then we'll see what happens toward the end of the week once we get to Thursday. But, eventually this frontal boundary will come through the region and give us some shower threats or maybe, thunderstorms as we get toward the end of next week. But that's a long ways away. It looks like we have a nice, mainly dry period here for the next week. The only caveats here are going to be just a stray shower here over the next 2 days, and then Saturday, an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. But that's pretty much it. Then we're going to have a nice couple dry, sunny, and very warm for this time of year days to contend with straight through the middle of next week. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for September 16th, 2021. Have a great Thursday.